it's recording this time.
The red light's on.
Yeah.
I caught it now.
Yeah.
Appreciate
You
that.
didn't see it the first time.
No, appreciate that.
Like 4 games? Yeah?
Yeah.
You gonna bomb them?
Gotta get the striking shoes on.
Yeah. Lots of strikes.
Give them the old boom boom.
Boom, boom. Same format as last week. Bowl 4, cut. Bowl 3, cut. Bowl 2, cut to the show. Hopefully we all knock down enough pins to make the show, but that's not going to be the case because we should only room for 4. So
Yeah.
May the best. You know what? The guy who knocks down the most pins is good. Yeah. Not even the best guy. It's just going to be the guy who knocks down the most pins. So
Just strike.
I ain't trying to be the best guy. I'm just trying to be the guy that knocks down the most pins.
Look at my life. Man, I'm saying, damn, what a wonderful life. Diamonds on Frio, psych ain't no diamonds on me though. Damn, I'm so sick like I'm Neo. Bigger the check means the bigger my ego. And my shots are free throw, cause that shit come free ho and I do not. I don't need fame, just respect. Ain't no regrets, no Scotty P, got no tat on my chest and I leave it up. Yeah, hop on the beat and I wreck. And I am not leaving until I'm the best. I do not flex. No. I'm only here for the checks. Yeah, say no. I'm only here for the check. Look, I got no time for any other games. I do not care what any of you say. I repeat that a lot, cause it won't ever change. And I said, don't flex. But I've been stuck up in the gym. I just ball above the rim. And they got me dunking like Tim, and I don't use the bank. Pockets of profit, my safe. Safe in my pockets, I make. Cash out the cash that I rake. I'm leaving the game, leaving my mark, not a trace. But they don't wanna see me ball. They waiting on me to fall. So that's why I keep it ringing when they call. Nah, I keep on winning. I keep on winning. Speak when you know that I'm finished. It looks like you're hearing your fans, they keep dinning. I'm sorry, I'm different. Some calling that gifted, but I do not. Flex. And that will never change. They asking me, Kevin, like, how do you do it? I promise it's hard, but you know that I would never. No. I'm only here for the checks. Yeah. Say no.
0.
I want
All
to
right.
anytime I'm at a tournament, I just want to vlog for you. That's all.
I like it, yeah. Anytime he's at one of the tournaments he wants to vlog, I love it. Anyways, we got to 417 over. No idea where that puts us, but I'm pretty sure it's in the number. It's 80 ahead of what it was with 1 to go. So I capped out at 230 today. It took me way too long to figure out what to do. When I finally got a string, I would make kind of an off shot, miss at the bottom, wrap it 10. So clearly, whatever I'm doing, it's not fantastic. So we got 3 more games to make a run at this top 8. I don't know how far we are. I don't want to know. I'm just going to keep bowling. Hopefully find better ball reaction and make better decisions.
No frying out.
Oh no, I'm going to fry out. It's just part of the game. But yeah, we're dealing with it just fine.
Just fine.
Give me the cash, money. The location I'm at, sunny. Oh, she asked me to crash, dummy. So she ready to jump, bungee. She go down and up, bungee. Yeah, I got my geese right here with me. I just write for my team. Backside say what I want. I just write what I preach. Record labels beg for my work. They cannot provide what I need. Big checks out to my name. Make sure it's spelled with 2 E's. Yeah, give me the loot. I do not aim when I shoot. That's what I do. Please do not get it confused. Give me the loot. I do not name when I shoot. I see you thirsty. That's okay, I got the juice. Yeah, I got the juice, so I'm quenching. There's nothing to prove, there's no question. I'll be what I do, I just ring.
Alright, round of 16 is over. Darren squawked by. He is in. That was intense to watch. Anthony Nair had a chance to get in, split in the 10th. Tommy Jones will move down to 6. Brian Simonelli jumped him.
Prather and Simonson in at 3rd and 4th, and Sean and Doherty.
Sean and Rash and Doherty are well within the top 2. Round of 8's coming up. We will talk to you soon. For now, bye-bye.
Blood, oh, you in a drought, I be in a flood. I don't check funds, I'm just having fun. with the day ones. Rep another planet, that's where I'm from. Give me all the loot, don't make me point guns. Cause I need the cash money. Give me the cash. The location I'm at, sunny. Oh, she asked me to crash, dummy. So she ready to jump, bungee. She go down and up, bungee. Give me the loot. I do not aim when I shoot.
Well, the round of 8 didn't go great. I had 370, maybe 380. Struggled with some ball reaction. Ended up going to reactive and it just never looked great. But apparently we kind of stole one. I think we're going to win the points. So it's another 20 grand in the bank account. And that's pretty nice.
The Certified League Bowler Summer Swing Bonus is a $20,000 bonus check. How about everybody giving it up for our recipient, Darren, Tang,
What just happened? What happened is Chris and I aren't paying for dinner tonight. Correct. All right. Yeah. I'm paying for a lot of dinners tonight. Yeah, we're wrapping up. Well, I mean, when we get home, or when I get home. Oh, okay. Yeah, we just wrapped up the summer tour. That's it. 2 7ths, a 25th, a 13th, and 1 win. And it was good enough for the summer points. Lead, win, whatever you want to call it. So, thanks for watching. We're gonna be heading to Minnesota for some clinics, so that'll be the next time we vlog. So for Bowl DMC, we out.
And bet that they pay, send my verse straight to the bank, that's what I'm saying, hop in the bad guy, I just wanna get the cash right, only concerned about the bag size, broke boy, that's a sad life, money can't buy happiness, like please, I don't believe that lie, I can never live that life, wait, not even a past life, you can tell that we thriving, with your girl and she vibing, my watch and press on my timing, whatever time zone that I'm in, check the charts to see we in, every spot that we climbing, blowing up my DMs, I'm sliding out when they sliding, I'm loaded now even later on, I do not judge, get your hater on, serving up L's, get my waiter on, living it up till my paper gone, the way that I'm scoring on every opponent, my girl even say, get you playing wrong, and I can't deny, I won't say it wrong, forget it, I'm gone, no way, Jesus peace on me, you see, but yet I don't pray, I can never switch up in my life, I won't change, there's no other option, no